Do you also have this problem na kapag na-put on the spot kayo, your mind suddenly goes blank and parang hindi na siya nag-work? As an introvert, growing up, hindi ko na-practice yung magsalita coherently. Kasi wala akong masyadong pinagsasabihin na mga stories or yung mga problems ko. So, I didn't get to build that skill. So, ngayon, gusto ko siyang i-fix. Yung drill is like this. Kailangan natin ng random na word. Then, I'll have to talk about it for 3 minutes, unscripted. And para di naman kayo mabore for 3 minutes, what I'm gonna do is, i-edit out ko yung mga dead air, but I'll keep yung mga stumbles or yung mga difficulties ko along the challenge. Punta tayo ng randomwordgenerator.com. Yung word natin is paragraph, so we have to talk about paragraph. Kailangan natin ng 3 minutes. And starts paragraph. Unang naisip ko pag naririnig ko yung word na paragraph is English. English na subject. Nung college ako or high school, di ba meron tayong English na subject? I didn't really... Wala akong masyadong interest nun sa English, kaya hindi ako nag-listen sa teacher namin, kaya hindi ko kabisado kung ano yung mga... Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyayari noon sa English class ko. Hindi ko alam yung mga... Hindi ko alam yung mga progressive tense or yung mga verb conjugations or how to say specific things. It was tough. Yung subject ko na English, it was tough to pass it kasi hindi nga ako nakikinig. But then, kasi wala rin akong interest ton. But then recently, since I'll have to communicate what I want to say, parang nagkaroon na ako ng interest in languages. That's why now, nagpa-practice ako ngayon para masabi ko yung gusto kong sabihin in the language na ginagamit ko. That's why we're doing this drill, para mas maging clear yung mga paragraph na sasabihin natin. Pero matayong 40 seconds, that was, ang hawa nun, wala akong masabi. Okay, paragraph. I think okay naman siguro, no? Hindi naman siya, kapag paragraph, hindi naman kailangang mag-talk lang ako ng paragraph. Okay lang din naman siguro kahit anything na connected sa paragraph, di ba? Yeah, so what I'm doing right now is, I want to improve the way I communicate para ma-explain ko kung ano yung nangyayari sa utak ko through my okay, time's up. That was tough. Ang hirap nun. Lumabas pa yung word na I don't know kung may masasabi ako doon. Try pa natin ng isa, guys. Try pa natin ng isa. Okay. Gawin muna natin nouns lang para mas madali. Government. OMG. No, I don't wanna talk about politics. Let's not do that. Let's generate another random word. King. Okay? Okay. This is a good one. Okay, 3 minutes tayo ulit, guys. Timer starts now. Okay. King. Unang pumapasok sa isip ko pag naririnig ko yung word na king is chess. Nung bata ko, around grade 2, I used to play a lot of chess. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung nagsimula, pero ang naalala ko na nag-contribute kung ba't gusto ko maglaro ng chess is may uncle kasi ako dati na gustong-gusto niya maglaro ng chess. And growing up, nakikita ko na naglalaro siya ng chess. I think I got interested in playing it. And, I actually don't know. I can't remember. Well, it's not important. Good. So, this is tough. So, king. Ito. Pinaisip ko. Yung king din, yung next na pumapasok sa isip ko is yung favorite ko na anime na Hunter x Hunter. Meron kasing arc, specific na arc doon na yung may isang king na gusto niyang i-conquer yung human world, and yung mga bida kailangan nilang magpalakas para i-prevent yung king na yon na masakop yung humanity. Grabe, naalala ko ang intense nung arc na yon. Sobrang inaabangan ko doon yung laban nung mga characters doon sa king na yon. So bali yung king kasi na yon, nabuo siya through yung queen ant, kumakain siya ng mga humans. So nagagather lang siya ng nagagather lang siya ng mga pampa-nutrient niya para magkaroon siya ng nutrients that will then until makabuild siya ng enough power, and then pag pinanganak niya na yung king, super lakas na niya. Which is ganon yung nangyari. Nung lumabas na yung king, sobrang lakas niya, and na-shake yung world ng okay, time's up. Now, hindi ko alam kung matutuwa ako pag nag-ring yung time or madi-disappoint ako kasi wala akong masyado nasabi in that 3 minutes, or matutuwa ako kasi nag-end na yung time and it's time na mag-relax na yung utak ko. During the drill, may mga times na yung utak ko may isip na subject na pag-uusapan. But then kapag nasabi ko na yung subject, I'm not sure kung how deep I should talk about it or anong next na sasabihin ko. It still happens, but doing this drill for the past few days, I can say na it helped a lot para mas ma-express ko yung gusto kong sabihin through words. So, sa mga introverts din dyan na meron netong problems, itry nyo yung drill na to kasi it's very effective. I can vouch for it and I can see the improvement really for me na nag-stumble sa words ko kung paano ko sasabihin yung mga gusto kong sabihin.